Hello everyone, Hacky Potter here. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a Google app password. It's as simple as waving a wand. Let's get started and have your app password ready in no time. As you can see, we are in the Google account menu. We just need to type app password in the search bar. As we all know, the hardest part is finding a good name for our app. Let's call our app Magic App and voila. Now we can copy our app password wherever we want. But be careful, because dark wizards are always eager to get their hands on such a tasty piece of authorization. If you find yourself tangled in the web of difficulty, do not hesitate to seek answers to any query that might vex you.